These sneakers tanked in price. Resell was over $500. They are now reselling for less than $400. Will these sneakers go back up in price? Let's talk about it. Free patent leather bred Air Jordan 1 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the bred patent leather Air Jordan 1. This giveaway ends in about a week, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair. Good luck. 700 likes on this video because next we're doing a Panda Dunk giveaway. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe because you guys can win free sneakers here on the channel. Between my giveaways and the content coming up, you guys have some chances of winning some sneakers from me. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that thumbs up. Let's take a look at these sneakers that have dropped drastically in price. Will Resell go back up? Let's talk about them, let's unbox them, and take a look at these Nike Dunks. Click my link down below and use my discount code DannyMoore to receive 40% off your order from SoulPremise.com. SoulPremise makes the best high-quality sneaker bags for sneakerheads. They hold your sneakers. This daily bag holds 2 pairs of sneakers, my laptop, some clothes, a bunch of things fit in each and every Soul Premise bag. Each bag holds your sneakers, guys. The only bags that actually hold your sneakers. They are amazing quality, and they're also very affordable, which is awesome. So make sure you guys check them out. Whether you're traveling every day, traveling for a few days, a week, maybe even a month trip, Soul Premise has you covered. Their bags are made for sneakerheads. I love Soul Premise. I use them all the time. Make sure you guys check them out. The link is down below. Thank you, Soul Premise, for sponsoring today's video. I love Soul Premise. They're definitely my go-to bag. Make sure you guys check them out. They are very, very awesome. High quality, tons of colors, and you're going to find a bag that you're going to fall in love with. I guarantee it. Make sure you guys check out Soul Premise, the best high quality sneaker bags in the game. I want to do a merch drop soon, but only if you guys want it. If you guys want to help support me, help the content get better, and get a piece of clothing out of it. And someone's also going to win some hype sneakers. Of course, we're going to give away some sneakers if you buy some merch. So if you guys want me to do a merch drop, I haven't done a merch drop in like over a year. If you guys want a merch drop, let me know down below in the comments. If I see a bunch of comments, Danny, drop merch, I'll go ahead and do a merch drop. We'll keep it limited. T-shirts, hoodies, maybe some more things. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys want some merch. And like I said, it'll be a chance at some hype sneakers as well. I was thinking maybe some Travis Scott's. Well, who knows? Let me know down below in the comments. If you got lucky and bought this sneaker for retail, let me know down below in the comments. Put a bunch of fire emojis. If you took the L and did not cop for retail, put a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who actually hit for retail on the Union Nike Dunks. I hit for retail on the Union website. Retail was $150, size 11. This is the pistachio colorway in the Nike Dunk Low. We are getting 2 more colorways of the Nike Dunk Low and Union collab. We're not sure when they're releasing. It will be soon because this pair already dropped. I'm sure they're gonna release the other 2 colorways very soon. I have not opened this box, so let's do it right now, and then we'll talk more about Resell. And will these go up? Back up in price? So the box is a passport theme. That's the whole entire theme of the sneaker. You have a bunch of just passport dates and like a ticket going on. Cool details here on the box, as well as the paper. And when you pull back the paper, you got some more passport details here on the paper, some white paper, and here they are, my first time ever seeing the Nike Dunk Low Pistachio Union. This is crazy. These are nicer in hand than they are in pictures. The Nike Union Dunk Low in the pistachio colorway. These are straight fire. I like these so much better in hand than I do in pictures and in video. These are very, very dope in hand. This is a sneaker I think you guys should get in hand. These are crazy. The upper is tearaway, so you do have premium leather. When you do take it off, scratch it off, all this material, all this upper will come off as you wear them, or just go ahead and peel it off. I love the pistachio color. I think they did a really nice job on it, along with the gray. I think this is a very nice looking Nike Dunk Low. Got some navy hits there on the sock liner. This is a dope Nike Dunk Low, man. They did a really good job. Union, you killed it with this one. You do have Nike there on the tongue. The Union LA tag there. The Nike swoosh does have some type of shine going on to it. The midsole is white, and then you have that blue outsole. And then you have this blue outsole, which I highly recommend putting Drip Grip on. The link is down below with the best sole protector in the game. And then on the outsole, you can see some green lying underneath. That logo is actually that logo that's right there on the box. White laces, which is a really nice look, how I personally would keep them and rock them. And then you also have some navy laces to come with them as well. On the left shoe, you get this big tag here. Very, very dope. Cardboard tag, Nike in collaboration with Union. This is kind of like a luggage tag attached to the shoe, which I think is a really nice touch and adds to the theme of the Passport theme. There is some fraying going on this sneaker because of the tearaway upper. Some people like that look, some people may not, but yes, there is definitely loose stitching and just fraying going on throughout the sneaker, and it's gonna get worse when you wear them. A very hyped collaboration from Nike yet again, back with Union. We all know how the Union Jordans have done throughout time. They're all expensive. The latest Union 4s have not been holds, to be honest, as of late. Except for the black off Noir pair, that was really the only hold. The rest of them have really went down in price. Now, when it comes to this sneaker, will they go back up? Resell was over $500. They were at like $550. They have dropped, tanked to under 400. You can get pairs for like $350, $375. Will Resell go back up? Will they go back up to over $550 again? In my opinion, it depends. I believe off-white Nike Dunks will remain more money than these. And if the 50 collection is reselling at around 500, most pairs are around 500, these cannot really go for back up to 500 in my opinion. The off-whites have to go up first in order for these to go back up to that $500 price point. Would you rather have an off-white Nike Dunk, or would you rather have the Union Nike Dunk? I think most people would rather have the off-whites. And when most of the off-white collection is at around that $500 price point, why pay $500 for these when you can get the off-whites? You know, Virgil unfortunately passed away. It is off-white at the end of the day. This is Union. Union has died down in my personal opinion. I believe we have more people going after them now than ever before, but I think it just dropped overall. I don't think they'll ever see a Jordan 1 Union hype like that again. The hype on the Union Jordan 1s was there when they dropped, and it skyrocketed even more so now. I don't think anything is gonna happen like that with these. Can Union really keep up with that hype, that Jordan 1 hype again? Who knows? So if you have these, the pistachios, I recommend selling them now. I think you should have sold them already. Will they go back up in price? I don't think so. They could. I could be completely wrong here, but in my opinion, sell them. I think they're a sell now. Let go of your pistachio pairs. Move on to the next release. We are getting 2 other colorways of Union Dunks, don't forget. I think those, once again, will resell for probably around the same as these. I think all these Union Dunks are gonna remain around $400. I don't think any of them are gonna be super duper crazy. However, this is apparently the Union exclusive, so if that's the case, potentially, I definitely see them remaining at around 400. I don't think they'll drop down to like $250, nothing like that, but they'll definitely remain around that $350, $400 price point, in my opinion, for quite some time. Years down the road, potential, of course, can go up. It is, you know, a Union Nike collaboration, so in a few years from now, sure, they could become more expensive, but I just don't see them in the short term at all going back up to $550. Let me know down below in the comments if you agree with me. Let me know if you disagree with me. Do you think the pistachio colorway is actually a hold? Do you think they'll go back up in price? Let me know down below in the comments. I just do not think so. Hey, this is just my opinion. I'm not 100% correct all of the time. I'm just giving you guys my thoughts here on the channel. This is not financial advice. Just giving you guys my thoughts on the Nike Dunk Low Pistachio Union collaboration. I just don't think they're gonna go back up. I think you guys should sell them and move on to the next one. There's still a very hype and limited Nike Dunk Low at the end of the day. Dope colors and just a really nice colorway. I like them a lot. 700 likes on this video because I'm gonna be giving away a pair of Panda Dunks next after the Bread Patent Leather Air Jordan 1 giveaway. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know your size. The Pistachio Union Dunk is very, very fire. They dropped drastically in price. This was just my thoughts, my opinions. I think they're a sell now, but still a very clean Nike Dunk Low at the end of the day. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.